Okay, YouTube, we out here with the K3 goped. We're gonna try to start it up and see what happens today. Got a little oil and some gas. We're gonna mix up some gas for it. And I can't record me starting it because I gotta run with it and jump on it, but let me do that. I also got this box cut up a little bit so it can sit on it and idle. Stay tuned. I don't know how this thing gonna run with that carburetor on it. I'll put a stock jet in it. Let me get this in here without spilling it. I'll be back. Okay, I probably should have made more gas, but hopefully that does the job. Let's see if it fills up that filter. Filter looks like it's filling up. Probably should choke it and cut the idle up. Let's cut the idle up a little bit. We can cut it down then later. Let's try to start it. Gotta see it's rolling like a scooter. I gotta take and loosen that up and put some weight on it. It works, but I don't think it likes that carburetor setup. Fucking up my tennis shoe. Let me start it back up. The choke is flying up. Let's tighten that up and see what happens.